Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to turn on end-to-end encrypted backup in WhatsApp. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: from your WhatsApp home menu, tap on this three-dot icon to the right hand corner and tap on settings and tap on chats and tap on chat backup and tap on end-to-end encrypted backup and tap on turn on, and now select any of them. So I'm going to select here create password and I'm typing a password here and tap on next and retype the password here and tap on next and tap on create. So here you can see I've successfully turned on end-to-end encrypted backup in WhatsApp. If this video helped me, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to do it. Thank you for watching.